What's up everyone, Modern Milt here, and today I'm going to show you how to install this onto the patio stones right here using stainless steel anchors and a drill. So if you want to know how this is done, stick around and let's get started. So I'm using these stainless steel anchors from UCAN. They're only 1.25 inches, and that's what I'm going to use to fasten these into the patio stone right there. You need to make sure you have a drill that has this hammer setting on it right here. That'll allow you to drill into concrete with the right bit. You also want to make sure when buying these, make sure that the bit is included with the case. So after positioning this roughly where I want it to be, I'm using this chalk shot here to lay out my marks. And that'll basically mark your holes for where you got to drill. And that's it, super simple. I hope this video helps you on your next DIY project. Thanks for watching.